guys, welcome back to my channel. Lovely to see you all back again. Today's video is a little bit of a refresh. So I'm moving furniture about. So the furniture, the settee which was along this side is going to go back to where it originally was. The chairs are going back in their original places. So I thought, well, let's just do a clean with me video. So it's not going to be a really long video, so you're not going to get bored, hopefully. And then I'm going to point out a couple of little pound shop decor bits as well we've got, and a couple of thrift things. Literally just, you know, minimalistic bits and pieces, but I just need to really clean this room, give it a good clean, the windows as well. Anyway, stay tuned, grab yourselves a drink and we'll crack on with the video. I'm going to grab myself a drink. Oh, why don't I just do this bit?
You throw that away, you and me are finished.
Listen, you cannot have that jumper.
It's my favourite.
No, it's not. Right, so we're kind of I'm getting there, slowly. I want to do either two nice arrangements, one on that side and one on that side, kind of tall, kind of either side of the telly. But I also want a really tall vase. And I was thinking of putting it here, but I'm not sure. But the other option is bringing the glass coffee table into this bit here. I want to cover the front up because I can't stand the little grey tiles, and you'll see those in a second on that. And then maybe putting a nice little tall arrangement behind the chair that's going over there. I've got all these ideas floating around in my head that, yeah, I think I'm going to have to have a real think where I want to put things, you know. I've got so many ideas, but obviously I can't do everything. Adding the accessories back in again. I bought this vase, oh god, a while ago now, from, it was definitely a thrift find. I can't remember if it was from a boot fair or in a charity shop, I can't remember. And I know I wouldn't have paid more than £5 for it. I don't think it's glass, it's like ceramic. So I've already given this a little wipe over. I think I'm going to put that over here. And then I'm going to put some like greenery in it. Maybe tiny little white flowers. I'm going to see what I've got in my stash. I'm going to have a quick peek and then we'll dress that. So in in my stash. I've got some eucalyptus. I've got, I don't know what these are. So I'm not a florist. I've no idea what these leaves are. So if anyone knows, just send me a. Oh, are they olive? Are they olive leaves? An olive branch? Possibly. And some little mini chrysanthemums, little white ones. So I'm going to see what they look like. I might not use all of this because it's quite a big bunch. But let's put a few in and see what it looks like. Right, we're getting there. So I've started to have accessories, I'm getting the pillars all organised on here, like little cushions there. What I'm going to do with these, the jars here, is fill those with water and put my floating candles in there. But I've also got some church candles as well, which I might put in there. These are floating candles, so I'm going to fill those with water as well. Do that and just tidy the bits and pieces up now. And I really want to finish this off, so I want to add the gold leaf going on here and on this bit here, but not too much, just a little bit, just to bring the gold in and bring it all together. So I definitely want to do that, which is quite a simple project to do actually. So I'm going to do that and do that. With these bits here, I've got a plan to do that. So when I come to doing this, I'm going to do that in the video so you can have a look and how you can have a go at yourself as well. And that's it basically, so I'm kind of done here. Just going to put the rest of the stuff away, add the water here, put the candles in there. I'm going to put the floating candles in there for the moment because the church candles I haven't got 3, I've got 2, a large one and a small one, so I need another one. So I'm going to pop down the B&M, yeah, B&M. See if they've got any church candles. If not, I'm going to have to have a little look around, maybe order some off of Amazon. Because I want the 3, I want a fat one to go in the biggest one, tall one, and then obviously the medium one as well to go in there, and that's it. I don't like too much clutter, so what I've got here is perfectly alright for me. Done my little arrangement there, I think it looks fab. So considering this eucalyptus was 50p in Primark, Primark, 50p there. And the little mini, oh my God, chrysanthemums, those in my stash. So I can't see what they were. And so was the olive tree. I think they're olive tree, but I'm not sure, branches. And a couple of quid for the vase there from thrift, my thrift find. So that looks great, just how it is. I don't need to do nothing there. There we have it guys, a nice clean seating area. Then all I need to do is add my tall candles, my church candles there. I've just added a little pampas arrangement, just so it kind of just softens that up. But once I get the candles in there, that'll be quite pretty. My floating candles will be going in there. My nice tall vase there, which I think just sits nicely. Some pound shop bits. These are from the pound shop. That's from the pound shop. That's from the pound shop. That is. Thrift candles and sorry guys, I've got the hiccups. Candle holders there. They're from the pound shop. No, they're not. They're thrift. Sorry. Oh my God, why have I got the hiccups? My thrift finds. thrift find over there. Did a nice arrangement in there, just using some eucalyptus from Primark at 50p, and then the other little bits there are from my stash. I'm so sorry, I've got the hiccups. I don't know why I've got the hiccups. Well, there you go. As I said, short video, not you know, a great big long boring one. But I thought, you know, I'm going to be cleaning this room, and we'll have a little chat on the way, and we'll do a little bit of cleaning, and hopefully it's kind of motivate you guys as well to join in and give your rooms a bit of a refresh. Anyway, guys, you take care, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. Now, I've just got to say, I'm going to be doing a big giveaway for when I hit my 10,000. So that's going to be coming up very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe. Leave me a comment so I can see you've subscribed and that you're a newbie, because we've got a massive giveaway coming up very, very soon, hopefully within the next few weeks. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. To the pits.